We want to remind you that Bay East offers many online training videos as one of your member benefits. If you would like short courses, the Grab and Go playlist is what you need. Not sure how to access it? There are two ways to view the videos on bayeast.org. One option is through the Bay East homepage. The second option is from the Education tab. And this is how you can access it through the Bay East YouTube channel. If you are looking for more in-depth courses, there are recorded webinars on bayeast.org. And on the Bay East YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Bay East Video. Thank you for watching.